Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding Non-Destructive Examination, that's NDT. You can see here, just click here and this is my channel, okay? All videos in the piping, welding and NDT you can see here in my channel. So this video is regarding test diagram legend, okay? This test diagram legend is attached. This is attachment in the test package, okay? We have isometric here, and here we will see the symbols for the test legend. Okay, so this is the test legend. So what is TM, LP, PI, FP, DP, and P2B and TB? Okay, so what is the meaning of all that? So to know that, we will go to that test diagram legend. So what is LP? So this is a test diagram legend, okay? So from the isometric, they have LP, PI, FP. So what is LP? So LP here is lowest point. So this is LP. Okay, meaning lowest point. So lowest point meaning they have here our from the isometric. Here is the test manifold. So that we have TM. Because meaning of TM is test manifold. LP is lowest point. So what is PI? So PI is pressure indicator, okay? And we have FV. So what is FV? So this FV is peeling point. So this is peeling point, okay, in the test manifold. So we have also a DP. So DP is a draining point, and P2B is pressure relief valve. And we have last is TB. So TB meaning is, so this is test blind, okay? And we have, you see this is a triangle. You can see also here in the test legend. So this is test boundary or the test limit. Okay, test manifold and temporary assembly. All here in test diagram legend. This is a RF, remove flapper, RI, remove internals. Okay, all here symbols for the test diagram or test bend. Okay, temporary remove and temporary plug, test close. So that's all now. That's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching regarding test diagram legend, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and just comment here and leave a comment and like my video. Bye bye.